How to fix camera not working on your laptop or on your desktop. There are some reasons that might result to your camera not working on your device, such as the camera is out of date or outdated. Maybe there is key on the keyboard that controls the camera. Sometimes the drivers of your laptop that run on camera might not working perfectly okay, and sometimes this might be as a result of permission granted on your device preventing camera from working. And sometimes you may have this error code, this camera are not attached, and many more. So in this video I'll walk you through some of the things you need to put in place to fix this error or to fix your camera not working on your PC or laptop, even if it is an attached camera. Just watch this video to the end. This might be the last video you're going to watch to fix this issue on your device. The first thing you have to do is to check the keyboard on your device if there is any key that controls the camera, such as F keys or combination of keys that activates the camera on your device. So if this key is attached to it, make sure that the key is turned on and make sure you tap on the key so that the camera will work. At the same time, look at the camera frame, the camera. If there is any slide that prevent the camera from working, make sure you turn on that slide so that the camera will work. And once you've done that, or you check around and there is no any key that control your camera, or if there is any, you've checked it out and you've turned it on, yet the camera is not working, then you need to enable the camera on your device. So go to the settings by clicking or by right clicking on the start menu. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Once you get to privacy and security, then scroll down under app permission. Click on camera. Once you click on camera, then take a look at what you see here. You can see that the access to this laptop camera is disabled. So click on this one to turn it on. And once you click on it, make sure that every other things here is turned on, most especially this one that says let app access camera. Make sure you turn on this button. Once you turn on the button, then try to open your camera and see if it works. The next thing you have to do is, if the camera is not working, maybe the driver is outdated, then you need to check and update the driver on your laptop for this camera. To do that is very simple. Right click at the start menu button here, then click on device manager. Once you click on device manager, then take a look at here if there is camera here. Like my own case, there is no camera here. It means the camera is not installed. This might be one of the reasons you're having this issue. Then come to this section here, click on it, then click on scan hardware. If you scan hardware, then just wait a little while. If the camera is not installed, or if it is installed, you should be able to see the camera here. So if you have the camera here and it's not working now, here is what you need to do. You need to update this driver, and doing that is very simple. So I will take any one of these as a case study. Let me use this keyboard as a case study. See this as your camera. So click on it, right click on it. Now you see the button that says update driver. Click on it, then to update the driver. Once you click on it, you try click on this button and scan for hardware change. Then this will fix this issue. Your camera will work again. And if you've done this and it's not working, then you need to update all the apps on your device. If the camera is not working, come to this place, search for Microsoft Store. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, while doing this, you must have a very strong network. Make sure you have a strong network. Then come to this place where you see download, click on download. Once you click, then come to this place where you see check update. So you have to click on this and check for update. So if there is any update on the camera side that is not working, then try as much as you can, search for it and update your device. So this will help you fix the camera not working on your device. The next you have to do is to update your operating system. Sometimes if there is updated version or new version of your operating system or you are yet to update, this might prevent your camera on your laptop or your PC not to work, either Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 8. Then you need to update the software of your device. Come to this start menu, click on it, then click on settings. Once you click on settings, just wait like this, then scroll down to this side where you see Windows Update, click on it. Now here, if you see download and install, now you can see it now click on it to download and install. So wait for this to install. So once this download has been installed, this might be able to fix any issue you're facing while trying to access your camera on your device. So make sure that you always run on the latest version of your operating system. The next thing you have to do, if you've tried that and it's not working, is to troubleshoot the camera. This can sometimes help in fixing camera not working on your device. So how do you do that? Is very simple. Click on the start menu here, then click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on system. Under system, scroll down until you have to troubleshoot. Click on it. Once you click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters, this one. Now that I click on this one, then scroll down, if you want to see camera from the list of options here. Now click on the run at front of camera. Once you click on this run, then you must have a stable or strong network for this to pop up on your device, and this depends on the network. So you have to wait for this to fully load and check if there is any error or if there is anything that can be fixed on this, and the system will do that for you to be able to fix your camera. Now take a look at what is here. Set up scanner for Windows. So you have to take, so let me expand this. Now you can see troubleshoot camera, community answer. So here, if there is any solution you can follow, then you need to follow. Like this one that says open, setting, update, troubleshooting and others. So try as much as you can to lay your hand on the troubleshooting setting and fix your camera not working on your laptop. This might fix it on your device. Then the next thing you have to do is to update your camera drivers or install your camera drivers. Doing so is very simple. Sometimes you need to download or install another camera apps or program on your device. Then come to this place, type in Microsoft Office, click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. Then come to this home, then in the search section here, type in camera. Now locate this particular one. I think this is my laptop camera. That is that. Then you see if your one is not installed, you'll be able to see download and install, but this one is installed. That is why it says open. So click on it and install. Once you install, then try to update the app you've just installed and open. And once you've installed it, then you need to restart your system. This might be able to fix camera not working on your system. The next thing you have to do, if you put all these things into place, is to reset camera apps on your device. This as well might be able to help this issue. Click on the start button, click on settings. Once you click on settings, then go and click on apps. Once you click on apps, click on installed apps. Once you click on installed apps, then here locate and look at this camera, then click at these three dots here, then click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, you have a lot of options here. Then scroll down. Now the first thing you have to see here is this reset camera. So you have to reset your camera or repair your camera. The first thing you have to do is to reset. Once you click on reset, this will reset if there is any settings that prevented your camera from functioning well. Then this will help you to reset it. And if you reset your camera, you try launching it and it's not working, then click on repair. This will help you repair any software program that has damaged, that might be causing your camera not to work very well. So reset and repair. So this will help you to protect camera not working on your laptop. The next one you have to do is to clean your PC, and doing so is very simple. So click on the start menu here, then this space, type in system configuration, click on the system configuration. It comes out like this. Then click on services. Under services, check this button that says hide all Microsoft services. Doing so will help you prevent Microsoft services. Then click on disable here. You can see my own is disabled. Then click on disable. Once you click on disable, then click on apply. So once you click on apply, then come back to this one that says startup. Click on startup, then open task manager. Once you click on the open task manager, it comes out like this. Then go to startup apps here. Take a look at every apps here. Make sure that they are all disabled. If they are enabled, they might prevent the camera from not working perfectly on your device. Make sure you disable them. How we do that is very simple. Just click on it, then go to this place and click on disable. You can right click, then click on disable. Then that's all. Once you've done that, then your camera should be able to be working very fine. The last but not least is very simple. If there is any antivirus on your device, sometimes antivirus can prevent your laptop camera or system camera not to function very well. So you have to disable or set that antivirus from preventing your system camera not to work, or you contact the customer service of whatever antivirus you are using. So with all these settings in place, if you are able to fix your camera not working, just let me know in the comment section. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like and drop your comment. See you guys on our next video.